this off and shears off. There's still some metal around there, and that's the shear point here. That lip sheared off. Here's the part number. Link in the description below. Out the cam and the spindle. That's that inner assembly. Okay. You remove, push it right back in. Nylon actually touches the door. The striker's in, you turn it and it comes out. This part below, this part's above and it fits into here. So you'll put this in and it should cover the metal piece. You should have a level handle, and there it is. Keep this part on the low side, align, and just fit it. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.